Let's open it up. Hello everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year to you. Recently we were invited by Life Joyfully Dunn to participate in a Christmas Eve box swap. You know how crazy deliveries can get around the holidays. Our box was a little bit behind schedule, but now that we're putting all of our Christmas goodies away, it's kind of nice that we get to have a little bit more Christmas magic. Perfectly Cat sent this box of goodies for the kids and I. Thank you very much for everything. We can't wait to see what's inside.
Whoa, I see a lot of cool stuff in there. First thing I saw, but I'm not gonna say.
Peekaboo! Okay.
Whoa! Whoa, my favorite cardboard.
So, first we have something ridiculously cute. We'll open this first.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Oh my goodness. We have
a Mickey jammies.
Gosh, they're so cute. We have some pajamas.
One for me, one for you.
For both of you. Thank you so much. Those are absolutely perfect for the kids. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. We have Mickey, and he's got a little red truck hauling his Christmas tree. That's how we got our Christmas tree to our house this year too, right? We put our Christmas tree right on the back of the truck. Oh, I feel something.
Oh, thanks for the cardboard. There's a lot of cardboard in there.
I feel something squishy.
Ah! Wishables! That's cute.
Wishables! We absolutely love Wishables. They're, I think, one of our favorite Disney collectibles. Okay, we have something wrapped very nicely.
Thanks for the cardboard, by the way.
Yes, Michael is being absolutely serious. He loves building things out of cardboard, so he's always happy when we have a new box in the house. Oh my god.
It's Mickey.
This is so adorable. Oh my gosh.
It's for me. Looks like it's for me.
It is. It's a tiny little Viola-sized cup. Oh my gosh, it's a Minnie. These are so cute.
Wait, this one's for Michael and the other one's for me.
Sure. One for you and one for him. Those are so cute. Those would be perfect for just a little bit of hot chocolate. Next, we have two little peppermint spoons. These are great inside hot chocolate.
What?
You stir your hot chocolate up with that and it gives it a nice peppermint taste. Or you could just eat them. They look delicious. As soon as I opened the box, Michael saw this. We have two popcorn containers. Oh, look how cute that's packaged together. And there we have it. 2 packages of hot cocoa. Perfect for those mugs and those little peppermint spoons.
He knew.
And popcorn. We absolutely love watching movies with popcorn. We've got a little Christmas card from Kat, and it says, I hope the family enjoys the goodies. My wish for you is to watch Mickey's Christmas Carol with all the goodies and to make fun, lasting holiday memories. Love, Kat. Kat, we actually did watch Mickey's Christmas Carol. It was one of Viola's new favorite holiday movies, and I definitely think that's a cherished tradition that we'll have for many Christmases to come. Perfectly Cat, thank you so much for all of the Christmas goodies. The sizes are perfect. Mickey and Minnie are absolutely perfect for the kids, and everything is so cute. We wish you all a very happy 2021. We can't wait to share some more Disney fun and magic with you. Thanks so much for watching.
Please subscribe and click the bell button.
Bye.
Bye.